Welcome to LZ's Invitational. We're here. We're ready to battle. Top 16. We're trying to win this Corvette, right? That's the plan. So we're early. I can't say for once. We're early. Things never go good when we're early, but we're early. That's it. What else to say? Huh? It never goes good when we're early. He laughing. I'm dead ass serious. We brought the keys. We got the key. Well, that car, the key stays in that car. It definitely stays in that car. How you doing? We're here at LZ party, getting ready to have some fun. Got the cars over there, ready? We got Joey. Joey.
That's Joey's favorite line. He said I cuss too much.
This man got a hairnet on. Roast session started. This man got. What happened? Oh! We got a hairnet on. I ain't editing that out. Looking like we got Troy all the way from Tampa. Earlier than the rest of y'all. Spec, where y'all at? Haitian, you know what I'm saying? All the way from Tampa, where y'all at? So we got Tommy here.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. What'd you think of my car?
You built this in 2003 with the strawberry face. Tell me I'm wrong. Tell me I'm wrong. You got a 180 with an S15 front end. Wait, it looks good. It looks cool.
It's in America. It's a 240. It's a 240.
Yeah.
Okay, we in America. It's a 240. Okay.
240.
Look. My steering wheel's on the left-hand side. I'm good.
In it and everything.
No, not anymore. It has a RB30.
Let's see.
It has a whole bunch of Australia in here.
Oh, RB30 with Australia.
Well, yeah, you know,
This is all Australia.
3 liter life.
Clean this car.
He's selling out.
Smash it. Fuck you up today. You better wash that thing. You better go wash. Oh, I had no idea from looking at it.
This motherfucker.
I also noticed no one seemed to wash my boy's car here.
No, fuck.
No,
fucking ass.
who's gonna win between you two? Let's stir this up. I'm the announcer.
Yeah, who's gonna win?
You guys fucked up.
Y'all set us up.
You were tight
Last night
Tight.
I said to you
Still
guys.
fucking tight. The fuck?
Last night I said
Bullshit.
y'all aren't friends. That's your clue. And you went, no, we are friends.
No.
I'm gonna team up with my
We
friends.
just happen to be staying next to each other, so.
Set us
and
up.
It's just so crazy that Jimmy and fucking Grant didn't pick their friends, but everybody else
listened to the
did.
clue.
And you knew.
No.
You knew.
I swear I
Adam
did.
told you the day before, motherfucker.
No, he told me 20 seconds
Connecticut
before.
guys be talking, bro.
Yo, Tommy is
Only
my
we
best
talk.
friend, but he will throw me under a bus quicker than anybody
Wait till
else.
Jimmy picked Salmon, and you picked fucking. Who'd you
I
pick?
think that was a foolish move for
Justin.
Jimmy. Yeah, friend. He doesn't even know
I
him.
don't even know him.
Easy, you knew. He
goes-
told you.
he
No,
goes,
he didn't. He goes,
outta here.
Hi everyone. My name is Lieber. The video already started, so we got to continue the video. You got to learn how to vlog, bro. I got to teach him. Anyways, so. I could rip you, George, but I'm not. I'm not ready. I already got him. That's why I'm not deleting you with your headband on in the morning, because you got to keep your hair nice. He had a turban.
That was a bonnet.
Whatever the hell he had on. He had on something.
It was a bonnet.
Anyways,
Woke up like
the
this.
car is ready. We got the banner on. I got my name tag on the side. I did my winner's gear change real quick. Car's looking amazing. Besides the drink on there, we got TJ on next to me. Grant. We got the Nofo over there. Yeah, it's gonna be a party. So I gotta go against Sean in the first round. I ain't even want to say nothing about that, but that's my homie. I don't want to have to go up against him, but I'm gonna have to take him out. So it is what it is, Sean. When you see that, bro, either one of us win. It is what it is. But we're going for gold. right, so we just got done doing ride-alongs. The car is running amazing. Me and Sean had some killer runs, as you guys can see. We was getting low-key getting practice when we battled. It's gonna be a good one. I can't wait. We're gonna push harder. I already know me and Sean will push harder and to try to knock each other out, but we're gonna have a good time. So that's the plan. I gotta walk around the pits and show you guys all the cars here. I'm just too excited to drive, so I just been driving. So let me show y'all some of the cars. So Colette got her FC out here, you know, Rotary Gang. We got the HQ boys out here. We got my dog Narakuzi over here, RB20, stock turbo, making it happen. Of course, Sean. Kyle's car's here. Yeah. Freaking Tommy bought this car and he's finna drive it all the way back to Connecticut. That boy's wild. I believe this is Samet's car. So that's a few of the cars here. A lot of them's out driving. Oh yeah, hold on. I missed some. Then we got one of the Fun Haver cars here. And then we have the Nofo over here. This boy came out here. He's bullying everybody with his 700 horsepower, pushing them into the walls and stuff. Good time. I'm gonna try to get to drive with him out there. Is everything good with the car?
We had a fan fail.
Oh, that's never good.
So we're gonna fix it real quick.
Well, I got to show them the stick Sean got me. He made it into the bottom three. He had to battle for third, so that's good. At least he beat me and he made it all the way there. Yeah, it happened. He's gonna be talking shit, but
He's number one.
I'll tell you what, man. Look at these old. Hey, y'all ain't even driving, so shut it. They don't even drive, so it doesn't even matter. All y'all cars is parking lot pimping. Okay, so leave me alone. So yeah. Do we need to take this to who had more top 16s at Clutch Kickers?
You can't get out of top 16 even when you start there. Oh, God.
You can't even make it there. You can't even make it there. Anyways, he won. Congratulations to him. I mean, he had to battle for third. His car started having some problems. But anyways, it was free. It was fun. It was a good time partying. And thanks LZ for, you know, the invite or whatever. And we're gonna continue to party. Alrighty, so now Sean got some bragging rights. He beat me in a competition. I know he's finna be selling out. I had a good time though. Everybody that was with me had a good time. I appreciate Adam for the invite, and I guess till next time, Sean, I'm gonna catch you at Clutch Kickers, bro. But good driving though. He actually went on to win like another 2 battles, and he was actually putting it on people's doors. So I ain't mad. You know, I did kind of teach him, so he's doing good. I'm proud. So. Till next video, guys. Later.